Have you been in a training? Of course, all of us, we have been attending Fit All training. But the question here, have you ever attended a customized approach training done for you? This is the question. Excellentia International Institute inviting you to join her in her 2 interactive and energetic days, where we'll be partnering with you in those 4 workshops. You start your training by doing an assessment tool, Strength Finder 2.0, and after that you'll be going through 4 steps. Going from step 1, where you will be discovering yourself. Step 2 will be a step where you will be going to know your vision. Where do you want to be? Step 3 will be this opportunity to discover obstacles. Where step 4 will be the wrap-up. We get all those informations from the 3 sessions, and you'll be implementing them into an action plan that serves you. We didn't finish yet the training, because after you finish those sessions, you will be having a 3 follow-up coaching sessions with certified coaches that will help you to be more committed and to be more accountable. Don't be left behind. Join us.